Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make a lip sync animation in Moon Animator 2 like this.
This is a test.
Before we get into this tutorial, there are a few plugins that are recommended to make this animation, and they will be put in the description or comments. Alright, let's get started. First, we will be doing the audio. You can either record your own voice or go to lazypi.roll/tts, select a voice, then type something in there, and then hit say it. Once you've got your audio, you can download it to your device. Next, we will be doing the image cropping. Open Roblox Studio, then create a new file which will lead you to a base plate. Then import a rig from Roblox Studio. It can be anything. Then go inside the rig, then inside the head, and then click on the face decal. Now open image crop and click on from selection. It will open the editor for cropping images, and then you can crop the eyes and mouth. Once you finish cropping, click on insert, then click on insert as image label. Now once you got your image label, make sure to create both a screen GUI and a surface GUI in the starter GUI, and then drag your image label to the surface GUI. Set the adorning in the surface GUI to be the rig's head. Make sure to create an exact replica of the face using the surface GUI, however it might take a while. Make sure to resize and reposition by switching from the surface GUI to the screen GUI each time, changing the properties by a bit in the surface GUI. Also, make sure to keep the original face decal in the rig. If you want to make the process a bit easier, then don't worry. I have created a model called Face as a Surface GUI, which is basically the original face.png file recreated in a surface GUI. However, don't use the model in a character imported from Moon Animator 2 or a rig using R6 because this could happen. The only workaround I have is to copy the head mesh part, reposition and put it to a different rig. The link to the model will be in the comments. Anyways, once you have finished separating the face and fixing the properties, delete the screen GUI and then make the face decal in the rig transparent. Rename the face decal to mouth because we will be using it to make the animation. Next, grab a face pack from the toolbox. I recommend using Day's face pack, which has not only faces but also everything needed for lip syncing and other stuff. Now open Moon Animator 2 and Learner Sound 2. You can click on the rig and choose to check or uncheck rig animation, and then you can create the animation file. In Learner Sound 2, click on the plus icon, then you can either import the sound that you've downloaded to your device, or you can upload the audio to Roblox, and then copy and paste the ID for the audio. You can change some properties for it. Now in Moon Animator 2, click on the plus icon, then import the mouth decal inside the head, and the mouth image label from the surface GUI. Make sure that you only use the transparency and texture properties for the decal and the image transparency property for the image label. Based on the audio sounds that they make, you would need different images for lip syncs. In order to change them in an animation, simply insert a keyframe, then double click on it, then click on Value. You can either change the texture, image ID, of a mouth decal or change the transparency. If you want to make it so that it switches mouths in the animation, then in transparency and image transparency, add the first keyframe, then add the next one, a frame after the previous one. Then continue the lip syncing animation. Again, it depends on the sounds in the audio, so you may need to keep changing textures. Once you have finished, you can end it off with switching mouths again, and then you can play the animation you've created. It should look like this.
This is a test.
Before I end this video, I would like to say that there has been a problem with some custom faces when it comes to cropping, mainly because they are in higher quality. The workaround for it is to increase the image resolution in image crop. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video useful, and if you did, then make sure to like and subscribe. You can subscribe to my second channel as well as follow my other social media and even join my Discord server. Links to those will be in the description. Alright, I will see you guys later.